Good morning, Alton Newman. This is Steve. I thought I'd put together this little video from my cell phone about changing the oxygen sensor sockets. Here's our standard G450 board. I have what I have is a variable temperature soldering iron set to 660 degrees. I have a soldering iron. The tube on top is a vacuum tube, and the noise in the background is the vacuum pump pulling the smoke off the soldering iron to a safe place. Here I go. Step one, a little solder on that socket. Push it through, tap it till it comes through and falls on the table. Number two, same deal. A little drop of solder, push it through, get it to fall out, and then I get my sockets out. Then you can see there's the holes where the sockets were, so I'm going to put a drop of solder in and fill that up. Make sure using the solder sucker, and here's the whole solder sucker, gets it so the solder sucker pulls evenly across the whole hole. Suck it out. Number two, suck it out. And now what we have is two holes that are relatively clean. Take my sensor, put the sockets on the sensor pins. I'll just put that in place. Put it into the front case. And then drop a solder onto the top, making sure that it flows nicely all the way around. Makes a nice little cone shape all the way around the top. And then pull it out. And my sockets are in place, and you can see there's some solder on both sides, a little cone shape of solder on both the inside and the outside. Voila, we're done. Have a good day, Alton.